Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Kaiju number 8 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize the graphic settings for this game on your device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Kaiju number 8 game on your device, and after you have completed the tutorial levels, the main menu will be unlocked. From here, click on the menu icon at the top right corner, and now click on the gear icon at the top section, which will take you into settings. From here, inside the display option, you have 4 different presets. You can try using the max quality option first and make sure that the proper resolution is also selected from the resolution tab. Once you have chosen the correct resolution and the maxed quality option, you can close the settings menu. And now you can check how your settings play out by playing a match. If the performance is not satisfactory, then you can go back to the gear icon and from the display menu, try using the high quality option. If this option still doesn't give you a satisfactory performance, then you can try reducing further to the balanced or power saving mode. And through this method, you can find the optimal balance of performance and quality for your game. Now, if the 1080 resolution is not giving you satisfactory performance, then you can try reducing the resolution as well. You can choose a lower resolution to play the game if you notice very low FPS. So there you have it. That is how you can optimize the graphic settings on the Kaiju number 8 PC game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.